Okay, thank you. And this is Pancake by Kiran Pandey. Pandey.
You know what you're gonna get?
I usually get the same thing at diners, give or take.
Dang, it all looks so good. Does it all look so good?
Yeah, thanks for bringing me out again.
Of course, I like to take out all the new hires. Call it a company tradition.
Here comes our waitress now.
Okay, but let me tell you, I swear on my life, by the home pricer, I swear, I haven't had them like that since Grandma used to make them.
Jeremy, how you doing, hon?
As can be, Suze. And yourself?
Oh, page your gang, hon. Just page your gang. Are you boys ready, or you need another minute?
No, I think we're ready. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I get 2 eggs over easy, with home fries, white toast. Oh, and let me throw in a side of corned beef hash there too.
Blue plate special dough well done with a cow to cover. And for you?
I'm just gonna get 1 pancake, extra butter, please, and that's it.
You mean like 1 stack, right?
No, just the 1 pancake, extra butter.
And on the side with that?
No, that's all for me, really.
And 1 flapjack. All righty. It'll be just a few minutes then.
Is something wrong,
with
or
you?
what?
1 pancake? Are you trying to pull my leg here? Who that in the Sam hell orders 1 pancake?
What's wrong with 1 pancake?
Oh, don't pretend like you don't know. Gosh darn.
What?
You heard me.
Did you just call me a communist? What are you talking?
Look, man. You want to put us both on a list?
Jeremy, I swear I have no idea.
Oh, no. Don't give me that Jeremy talking, man. I order a nice, hearty American breakfast. You muster up the chutzpah. So, ask for 1 measly little pancake? What, did I miss the part where Stalin was rationing out meal portions in America too?
I only wanted the 1.
Oh, and all that butter. You sick scuzz. Trying to lube up your throat so it's so much easier to digest all that communism.
I like butter. Sue me.
Oh, like extra butter for 1 pancake. All sweetened, no savory. What? Why don't you just renounce your citizenship while you're at it?
What's wrong with a little sweetness? Don't they say as American as apple pie?
Oh, don't you start. Don't you impugn me on my patriotism.
I wasn't.
Everyone knows this, Don. Everyone. Your sweet breakfast food, your waffles, your whipped cream sundaes, cherry on top. It's the lifebloods of the Reds. Inhale the stuff. I bring you out as a new hire. And now you're playing backseat bingos with a bunch of Bolsheviks.
Jeremy, come on.
You'll be sick.
Come on, Jeremy. Let's not have a cow now. Jeremy.
Can you just order a side when she gets back?
I'm really not that hungry.
Come on, please.
Jeremy.
Please, not. You're killing me here.
Jeremy.
Hell, fries, fruits, toast, anything. I'll even eat it. Just order on a small plate there next to you.
Will you put a lid on it if I do?
Yes. Please, anything.
Yes, hon?
Could I throw in a side of home fries too?
A side of home fries? Coming right up. And let me top that off for you.
Thanks.
Great choice, man. Home fries here. Delicious.
Let me get you some paper towels.